When I talk to small business owners, periodically they will express concern about whether or not AI search is going to be detrimental to them. It makes sense because as technology progresses, it doesn't always benefit small businesses. So of course they're concerned. But you know what? I have some great news for you. If you are a subject matter expert, then the shift from Google to generative AI and the rules that are going to change are going to be for your benefit. They are actually in your favor. My name is Erika Dickstein with Spring Insight, and let's dig into this. In general, what used to work for Google, it just doesn't work for AI. So think about it. Think about when we were really just learning about search engine optimization and everybody was working to optimize pages. You would work on sort of these bigger, more generic terms because you wanted Google to turn the spigot of traffic towards your site. But that's not what AI does. AI actually never sends people to a site. Instead, it answers the questions that it can answer, and then it talks about you when the context is right. So what you're looking to do is to develop the kind of expertise that AI trusts, knows that you understand this, and knows that you're the right person to send traffic to if somebody has asked for that kind of recommendation. It responds to authority, to specificity, and to context. So what it's looking for is not these general topics. It's not creating these big wins. It's creating these small wins that are very specific to your organization because that's where you're an expert. To really understand this, let's all pretend that we are family law attorneys and that we're looking for clients who are perhaps starting divorce proceedings. And let's chat about how optimizing for search engines might be different than optimizing for a generative AI service. So if you're optimizing for a search engine, you're probably thinking in larger terms, in things like best divorce attorney or best divorce attorney near me, or even best divorce attorney in, XYZ location, right? Whereas if you're optimizing well for generative AI, you're optimizing for much more specific questions. So something like, who handles high net worth divorces in Bethesda? Or what law firm should I talk to in Montgomery County that can help me with family law when there's complex custody issues, right? Those are they're very much more detailed questions, and they really give a law firm an ability to create for themselves the expertise and show off the expertise that they are bringing to the table. It's really reframing the way that you think about things. The more specific the question, the better your chances are to prove your expertise. And that is why it's just a better place for true subject matter experts. And you know what? Here's the other thing that I think is important to understand. That's actually very good for business. It means you're going to get lower volume, but the volume that you get is higher intent. There's fewer people clicking, but the people who are clicking are more likely to be the right people and the right fit for your organization. Because you know what? You don't want 1,000 clicks. You really just want the right 100 clicks. So what does this look like when it works? Well, it looks like your name being surfaced by one of the generative AI engines, whether it's Perplexity or Claude or ChatGPT, when somebody has asked a specific question for whom you're the right answer. Think about it this way. Basically, you're getting a warm introduction from an AI agent. And you know what? At this point, AI agents are, I won't say someone, but something that the people who use them trust very much because they know a lot about the person. So that's the way to think about this, is how can you be the trusted source of for the AI agent that these people who are searching trust very much. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you are interested in learning more about AI visibility, digital strategy, particularly for subject matter experts, I hope you will like this video and that you'll subscribe to our channel, because we create a lot of this kind of content. And if you're ready to show up in AI search, then go to our website, Spring Insight, springinsight.com. It's down in the comments. And schedule a consultation. I'd love to chat with you about the work that we do, and more importantly, about the work that you do.